Spotify not working iPhone, few easy steps. So if your Spotify is not working on iPhone and you want a couple of steps to be able to fix it, it's very simple. First off, we want to make sure that our internet connection is not the issue. So just check whether or not your internet is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data, or make sure you have a strong internet connection. After that, you want to simply open the settings app. Once you open the settings app, from here what you have to do is simply go to the option that says General. From General, you want to go to the one that says iPhone storage and just tap on it. Once you tap on iPhone storage, these are the options that you will see from here. So just go to Spotify. Now all you have to do from here is tap on Offload app button and tap on Offload. Once you offload it, tap on Reinstall and reinstall the app. If that doesn't help, you can also try to delete the app and re-download it again from your app store. Also check if your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. So sometimes it could be that the Spotify app is out of date, so you want to make sure to update it. You'll find the update button there if it requires an update. But either way, this is the way on how you can solve it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.